So guys, welcome to our channel once again. Today on our biology revision series, we are still on the topic cell biology, and today we'll learn about diffusion. So in short, to stay to the end of this video, as this is a very important and sensitive topic in your examination. So diffusion is simply the movement of the molecules of a substance from the region where they are in high concentration to the region where they are in lower concentration until they become evenly distributed. So you can think of diffusion as the spreading out of the molecules of a substance. So if we should drop a solution or a gas at one side of a container, it will be very concentrated at that point, and then it tends to start spreading out through the container until it becomes equally distributed at all points in the container. This is known as diffusion. So diffusion is the natural tendency of substances to spread out. However, there are also factors that can influence the rate of diffusion, such as temperature, pressure, concentration gradients, and membrane permeability in a situation where there is a membrane barrier, like the diffusion of substances between cell membranes. So try as much as possible to remember all these factors that influence diffusion, as it is very, very important for your biology exams. So let us also understand that dissolved substances like food nutrients and ions can move in and out of cells by diffusion. So tiny molecules such as amino acids, glucose, and water, including oxygen, can diffuse through the cell membrane, whereas large molecules such as starch and proteins cannot pass through the cell membrane. So these substances move from the point where they are in higher concentration, or let's say in higher quantity, to the point where they are in lower concentration, or let's say in lower quantity. So let's also take note that the larger the surface area of the membrane, the faster the rate of diffusion, because more particles can diffuse at once. So let's look at this biology exam revision question. Feel free to pause this video and try to work it out. So guys, we've come to the end of this lesson. If you are new to this channel, please ensure to join our Telegram channel using the link in the description of this video below to get instant updates and notifications for your exams. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends if the video was helpful. Also ensure to subscribe to our channel if you are not yet a subscriber. Thanks for watching.